What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck, and today is a case video. Shout out to a company called Tongate. They sent out your boy a very protective case, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out together. As you can see, black packaging. Excuse some of the wrinkles. Get it out like so. A lot of packaging going on. So what we got going on here? We got some Tongate paperwork. We got a temper glass screen protector. Nice touch by putting that in there. Look like what we got going on is a front frame with a screen protector built in also. Then we got a rear frame. So we got a variety of options with this case. As you can see, we got a temper glass screen protector. We got a screen protector built into the front frame because this is like a two-part case. But I'm going to use the front frame that's built into the case already. Let's check that out. So we take a look at the case. There's already a front frame in there, no screen protector. I'm not big on cases with screen protectors built in. I like to just do them without them, and I like that they give you that option. But as you can see, we got some MEC branding, very protective case here. We also have a closing door for your camera setup, so you can definitely protect those cameras, especially like if you work on a rough construction site or you somewhere where you can really mess up your device, you put in work. You might want to really protect those cameras like that, because if you mess up the cameras on the S24 Ultra, you're going to be pissed, and it's going to cost a lot of money to fix. As you can see, we got some cutouts on the bottom like they are appropriate, and we just got like a matte finish. We got some faux carbon fiber look right here, and we got some black and gloss around the door. Door locks into place. It's not the best sensation of a door opening and closing it, but it does lock open and lock close. We got a nice little kickstand around the branding, and the branding got like a faux carbon fiber around it, so that's a nice little touch. Give it a nice little cool look. Look on the inside, you got the Tongate branding, drop protection, military tested. So we did get some real drop protection here, guys. So we got the S24 Ultra in the Tongate protective case, and it looks pretty cool. Nice and protective case. The door does open and close, but I wish it just had like a better sliding mechanism. It will lock into place though, like now it's locked closed, and you got it locked open. You got the kickstand head, so we can go that way and we can go that way. So that's definitely a nice touch here. Anybody with a device like this definitely gonna want to utilize a kickstand. You on your lunch break, you want to watch some BG Tech Life, you got a nice kickstand, so you can go ahead and get you a good angle to watch you some content. Even when the doors open, the cameras are nice and recessed. But it's got some slits, so it's give you a nice, easy button press. Some rugged cases give you a rugged button press. I don't like that. Shout out to them for the slits. All appropriate cutouts are on deck, guys. As you can see, nice big cutout with a sliding board to get straight to the S Pen. Got your cutouts for your noise canceling mic, your Type-C, and your speaker, and you got some cutouts for your microphone on the top. Take a look at the front. You got a nice raised lip around your display. You're gonna always want a raised lip around the front of your display, guys. You drop this on the flat surface, you want the case to take the impact, and this case will. But shout out to Tongate for sending this out. It's your boy BG Tech Life. This is a protective case for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'll put a link down in the description. I'm out. Peace.